Tips and tricks for NEET Physics 2023. Understand the basic concepts. Physics is based on a few fundamental concepts that you must grasp in order to succeed in this subject. Make sure you have a solid understanding of concepts like mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and optics. Practice numerical problems. Physics is all about applying concepts to solve numerical problems. Practice solving different types of numerical problems to improve your problem-solving skills. Revise regularly. Physics requires regular revision to keep the concepts fresh in your mind. Make a habit of revising what you have learned every day, and practice different types of questions to strengthen your understanding of the concepts. Learn to visualize. Physics is a visual subject, and you need to be able to visualize concepts in order to understand them. Try to create mental images of what is happening in different physical situations, and practice drawing diagrams to help you visualize. Solve previous year papers. Solving previous year papers will help you get an idea of the type of questions asked in the exam and the level of difficulty. It will also help you identify the topics that you need to focus more on. Take mock tests. Taking mock tests will help you simulate the actual exam environment and give you a sense of how much time you have to solve each question. It will also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and where you need to focus your efforts. Seek help when needed. If you are struggling with a particular concept, don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher or tutor. They can help you understand the concept better and clear your doubts. Remember that NEET Physics is a subject that requires consistent effort and practice. By following these tips and tricks, you can improve your understanding of the subject and increase your chances of success in the exam.